What's up, Diecast fam? So as you can see, I'm at a Hobby Lobby. I rarely come to this Hobby Lobby, so I'm gonna head on in, see what they have in store for us. Catch you guys inside. Alright guys, so we are in the diecast section, and let's see what they have for us today. So you have a Ford Bronco, that cool 1954 Ford F100, the 1995 Ford Escort Cosworth. And check this one out, guys. This one's really cool. 2020 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray convertible, 2-seater. Nice. It's pretty cool. There's another one. 1990 Jeep Cherokee. And here's the 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe. And that's 1994 Ford Escort. Check this one out, guys. I've never seen this one around before. This is a 2021 Ford Bronco Sport. Nice. So let's put these back. We have this cool Mustang here, 1981 Ford Mustang Cobra. We have some lifts, some tires, campers. Check out this other Mustang here. This is a 1985 Ford Mustang SEO. Very cool. There's a 2010 Jeep Wrangler. Very nice. Let's see, here they have the Jada Toys punch buggies, tractors, Ford Bronco. Here they have the cool 1970 Dodge A100 panel van with the tab decals. Here's the 1969 Plymouth Barracuda with the Diet Coke decals. Very cool. Let's see. This is the 1971 Dodge Charger RT 400. And here we have the 1971 Plymouth Cuda. And here's another one. Jeep here. This is the Jeep CJ5, and that's a Chevy Vega 1990. This one I've seen before. Wow, this thing is hideous, man. Horrible. 1956 Ford F100. Another one. And this one's really cool. This is the 2019 Chevy Camaro ZL1 in a nice candy apple red, white interior. Very cool. Here's a 1991 Dodge Stealth RT twin turbo. So this one comes in a nice red color and it has a gray interior, black top. Very cool. Put this back. Here we have this majorette. This is the Ford Mustang GT in a matte red color. Picked that one up at Target for much cheaper than $12.99. And this is the first wave of the Porsche 911 Carrera. Check that one out, guys. This is the second wave. So this one comes in the yellow. This one has the skis, whereas this one has a surfboard. Both very cool though. Let me put them side by side so you guys can check them out. And here we have this very cool 1999 Acura Integra. More Johnny Lightning. This is the 1955 Chevy Nomad. And here's the cool 1978 Ford Mustang Cobra 2. This one's really cool. I'm really digging the colors. Tempo's not so much, but the color is really cool. Alright. Over here we have this cool rescue truck, 1992 F350. This one I haven't seen. This is the 2017 Ram 3500 Dually. This one's representing the LA Fire Department. Very cool. Haven't seen this one either. The 2020 Ford Police Interceptor. This one's representing the Chicago Fire Department. This one's really nice. If they were $7.99, I would definitely pick them up, but for $9.99 they were a little bit too pricey for me. But you know, just like to share with you guys so that you guys can see what's out there. So here we have some cool muscle machines. Very nice. This is the 1964 Shelby Cobra. There's another one there. Now this is a cool hauler. This is the 2019 Mac Anthem. Very cool. And here we have the 2019 Step Band. This one's representing the Georgia State Patrol. And here's another one. This is the 2020 Ford Police Interceptor utility vehicle. This one's really cool. Now this one is $8. It's not bad. So I'm gonna take that one for sure. And here's a 2013 Ford Escape. Okay. Here's the Korean War Dodge WC-54. And here's the WW2 Willys MB Jeep. And here we have this cool 1987 Chevrolet Silverado. So here we have this cool 1976 Dodge B100 with the cool Mopar decal right there. Not bad. Oh, this is a nice one. This one I haven't seen before. The 1990 Chevrolet S10. Not bad. And here they have this cool 1987 GMC Vendura 2500 with a Union 76 decals. This one's really cool. $7.99. I already picked it up a while back ago, so staying here. Here we have the 1979 Ford LTD sedan. And there's another one. 2019 Ford Transit Funny EMS Division 3. Here's another cool 2018 Ram ProMaster. This one has the Mopar Custom Shop decals. Very cool. Jada Choice G.I. Joe vehicles here. Racing Champions. This is 1932 Ford Coupe. And the 1965 Ford Econoline. Not bad. Alright guys, so I'm going to be taking these two right here and gonna head on to a different store. What's up guys, I'm at it again. So looks like they put out some Hot Wheels, but they've already been looked through. 20 packs, 9 packs, 5 packs. So been getting a lot of these 2-pack monster trucks. Let's come around here, see what we can find. Paw Patrol, Micro Machines, and voila. Looks like they stocked up on these Matchbox. So right off the bat, check this out guys. Got this really cool 2019 Audi. Very cool. Definitely gonna pick that one up. Nice. This is a 2019 Dodge Durango. This is really cool. Definitely gonna pick this one up. And check this one out guys. Another beauty. Mini Countryman. This one looks really, really cool. And here they have this cool 2009 International E-Star. Set that aside. And they have this cool 2020 Jeep Gladiator. And they have the MPX Mini Charge Truck. And they have this cool 2019 Mazda 3. This one I picked up already not too long ago, so this one's staying here. So is this one, Gladiator, I'm not very fond of. And this one's staying here as well. And here they have a recolor of the 2019 Volkswagen Beetle. So it's not too bad. They have this really cool 2016 Ford Interceptor utility vehicle. This one's representing the NYPD. Nice. And here they have this really cool Mazda CX-5. This one's really nice. Definitely gonna pick this one up. And here's another Gladiator. And here they have the Nissan MV van. So we stay in here. Here they have a dumpster truck. Another Mazda 3. Here they have this cool Lamborghini. I already picked this one up. Here's another Beetle. Let's see here. This is a new ice cream truck. It's the Ice Cream King in a nice mocha color. interesting. And over here, they have an international armed vehicle. Here's another Countryman. And over here is this cool MBX garbage scout truck. This one is actually pretty cool. But it's gonna stay behind. Alright guys, so just to recap, I'm taking the Ford utility vehicle, taking this Mazda CX-5, taking this Beetle convertible in orange, 11 Mini Countryman, taking this awesome 2018 Dodge Durango, and last but not least, I'm taking this awesome 2019 Audi. This thing is beautiful, man. Alright guys, gonna head on to a different store. And as you can see, stores have been getting some shipments. Right off the bat, we have this Ford Focus. This is seat case. I already have this one, so look here. All this stuff has been looked through. Here's another one. So I'm not gonna bother there. Some 20 packs, 5 packs. Let's see what else they got. Ooh, cool. They got some of these flying customs. Check out the 65 Chevy Nova, guys. This thing is sweet, man. Definitely gonna pick one of those up. And nice. Check out this 86 Monte Carlo SS. This thing is sweet, man. Let's see what else they have. They have this 85 Chevrolet Camaro IROC Z. I think I'm gonna pass on this one. I like the color. I'm not very fond about the wheels, so I'm gonna pass. And we also have this cool 1969 Chevy GT 500 convertible. Not bad. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take these three for sure. Let's see what else they have. Mario Kart, RC cars, monster trucks. Looks like they got some more of these super fast. These are old castings. I already have all of them. Muscle machines. Nothing new from Matchbox, market machines. Here's some more super fast cars. And that's pretty much at this store, guys. Nothing else. Alright guys, gonna head on to another store. So guys, I'm at it again. Let's see what they have in store for us today. Looks like they stocked up on some of these Hot Wheels. This is seat case. Did not have this cool Dodge van, so I'm definitely gonna pick this one up. And here they have this cool 2016 Cadillac. I'm gonna take this one for a buddy. And this cool Ford Focus. Not bad. Got this cool locomotive. Check out this McLaren, guys. It's a recolor. Nice. Definitely gonna take this one. Let's see what else they have. And here's the 1967 Ford GT40. Nice. Let's see what else they have. That is pretty much it on this side. Let me grab my pile really quick. And let me come over here real quick, guys, because there's a couple of guys over here. So here we go. So let me see what they have over here. Let's see what else they have. Monster trucks. Alright guys, it looks like that's going to be it at this store. We can move on to the next one. What's up, Diecast fam? Here we are at a Target, checking things out. And right off the bat, look what we found. This is a really cool 2020 Chevy Corvette in a nice red color. Check that out, guys. This thing is beautiful, man. Definitely going to pick that one up. And here we have this awesome 2019 Chevy Camaro ZL1, all black. Awesome. Check this one out, guys. Here's a 1977 Lincoln Continental Mark V. Nice little classic car. Put this up here. And here's another Chevy Camaro. And here we have this cool 1963 Chevy 2 Nova 400 wagon. This here. And here we have this cool 1993 Dodge Stealth RT. This one's pretty cool. And there's another wagon. Let's see what they have for Johnny Lightning. They have this really cool 1970 Plymouth GTX in a nice hot pink color. Nice. Ooh, check this out, man. I know Mustang Hunter will definitely love this one. This is the 1968 Shelby GT500 KR. This thing is sweet, man. Check that out, guys. This one comes in a nice orange color, tan interior. Definitely gonna pick this one up. And here they have this really cool 1965 Chevy Chevelle wagon. This one has a cool turtle power decals. Comes in a nice green. Very cool. Let's see what they have down here. This is a 1986 Buick Grand National. Check that out, guys. Really cool. And here's another wagon. And here we have another Shelby. Definitely going to pick up another one for Mustang Hunter. And over here we have this really cool 1977 Pontiac Firebird. Check this out, guys. This one comes in a dark brown. Check out the Phoenix right there in the hood. It has a tan interior. Very cool. Oh man, this thing is sweet. Check this out, guys. This is a 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger 340. Nice. Definitely gonna pick this one up, man. This one is really cool. And here's another one. And here's another Firebird. Alright guys, so I'm gonna grab a basket really quick, grab all these cars, and then I'm gonna keep looking. Let's see what else they have. Some machines, a bunch of peg warmers, Monster Jam, monster trucks, and they have a ton of these VW and Beetle combo with the Moon Nice decals. They only took the Datsun, of course, and they have a few of these Porsche sets. Nothing new on the premium, and they didn't restock on the single packs. So that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care. God bless. Happy hunting, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.